Good morning, dear students and parents. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. I welcome you all in online teaching program by RD Group of School. Student, as you know, block 15 is going on. In previous class, we learnt about Gram Panchayat. What is the need of Gram Panchayat? I hope you all have understood this also, and this topic is clear to all and homework is completed. Student, what is the need of Gram Panchayat? Yes, Gram Panchayat takes care of the problems of the villagers, right? So same how what is our today's topic? Our today's topic is municipality. Yes, what is our today's topic? Municipality. Yes, as you know, block 15, lesson plan 2, keywords, municipality and resources for today's class: content book, notebook and workbook. And our agenda as usual: first the questioning part, after then activity, then discussion part, then worksheet, and after then I will give you some homework. Student, I want to ask some question to you. Yes, what do you think when I say city? Yes, what do you think when I say city? In my mind, the crowded area, the busy traffic signal, shopping malls, these things comes in my mind. Okay, students, as in the previous class, we talked about the problems of the villagers and who takes care of these problems? Gram Panchayat. Same how the people who are living in the cities, they are also facing some problems. So who takes care of these problems? Yes, think about it. Who takes care of these problems? Yes, municipality. As this is our today's topic, municipality takes care of these problems. So, what is our today's aim, student? To explain the importance of the local governing bodies in cities and towns. Yes, which is the local governing body in city and town? Yes, the municipality. Student, now let's move to the activity part. Okay, what will you do in activity part? You will read one story from the Exceed content book. As you read in the previous class also, you read about the problems of the villagers in previous class. And today we are going to read about the problems, the people who are living in the cities. And here you are going to play the role of the municipality. As in the previous class, you played the role of the Gram Panchayat, and here you are going to play the role of the municipality. Means you will read the story, and while reading the story you will listen about some problems which the people who are living in the cities and towns they are facing. Means आप उन problems को सुनेंगे and after then you will react like a municipality. Means अगर आप municipality का part हो, आप municipality के member हो, तो आप उन problems को कैसे solve करेंगे, कैसे उनको sort out करेंगे. Yes, now open your content book. Now open page number 17 of your content book. Roopnagar. Roopnagar is a town in which many people live. They have many problems. They do not have electricity at night and people are scared to go out in the dark. There is also a lot of garbage lying all around, which the cows and dogs feed on. People cannot open their windows because of the smell of rotten garbage. The people are angry. They have sent a letter to the municipality. The municipality is a group of people that take care of cities and towns. They are chosen by the people living in the city or town. Can you think about how to solve their problems? Just now you have read the story about the people who are living in Roopnagar. It is a city. Yes, which kind of problem are they facing? They have many problems. Which the first problem, they do not have electricity at night. At night there is no electricity. Can you think about अगर आपके घर में भी रात को लाइट नहीं होती, so which kind of problem will you face? And people are scared to go out in the dark. There is also a lot of garbage lying all around, and because of the rotten garbage, it is not possible to open the windows. It means people are not able to open their windows because of the smell of the garbage. So people are angry, and what did they do? They write a letter to the municipality. Yes, students, now you are playing the role of the municipality. Yes, think about the solution of these problems. Students, now move to the discussion part. Just now you have finished the reading part. Now I want to ask some questions which are based on the reading part. My first question is, what problems are the people facing? Students, please pause the video and think about the answer of this question. Yes, which problem are the people facing? The people in Roopnagar are facing problem with garbage lying around in the city. There is a bad smell everywhere and city looks dirty. If this increases, people may fall sick. And one other problem, what was that? It was that there was no electricity at night, and if and the streets are dark, and because of this, robberies can increase, right, students? So these two major problems the people in the Rupnagar are facing. Next question, why do they want these problems solved? Why do they want these problems solved? As the garbage is lying around here and there, and because of this, there is a bad smell and city looks dirty. And if this increase, people may fall sick. It would be the reason of the diseases, right, students? And because of the darkness in the cities, robberies can increase, and it would be difficult for the people to go out at night. Next question, who do they go to with their problems? Who do they go and what did they do? If you remember, yes, they write a letter to the municipality. Means किसके पास जाते हैं वो? Municipality. What solutions have you suggested as the municipality? As you are playing the role of the municipality, right? So, which solution have you provided for this? Yes, according to me, what could be the solution for this? Yes, first of all, I will sort out the problem of the electricity, and the garbage should be dumped in the landfills only, right? And the dustbin should be provided to the people of the Rupnagar, so they can throw all the garbage in the dustbin only. So these solutions can be done for the people who are living in the Rupnagar. Now move to the next question, student. Who helps people in cities, towns with their problems? Think about it. Who helps? Right. The municipality helps people in cities, towns with their problems. And next question, what would happen if there was no municipality in cities or towns? Means what would happen? क्या होगा अगर municipalities ना हो cities or towns में? How the problems would be solved? Think about it, students. Right. If there was no municipality in cities or towns, people would not know how to solve their specific problems. Like the Gram Panchayat, members of the municipality are also chosen by the people who are living in cities or towns. As the member of the Gram Panchayat, they are chosen by the people of the who are living in the villages. Means villages उनको choose करते हैं. Same how जो municipalities के member होते हैं उनको कौन choose करता है? People who are living in cities or towns. The head of the Gram Panchayat is called Sarpanch, and the head of the municipality is called chairperson. Student, now it is time for the higher order thinking question. Question is on your screen. For what other regions would cities and towns need the municipality? As we talked about the garbage and the electricity problem, right? If any other problem is there, for which cities and towns need the municipality? Think about it, student. Right. To take care of parks, important buildings, roads, and for fire service, proper water supply and electricity. For these problems also, cities and towns need the municipality. Student, now move to the reading section. Open page number 40 of your content book. Role of the municipality. Like villages, people living in towns and cities also have their own needs. Towns and cities are bigger and more crowded than villages. They have many hospitals, schools, markets, more vehicles, offices and buildings. They too have their own needs. There is a local governing body called the municipality in towns and cities to take care of these needs. Members of the municipality are chosen by the people of the towns and cities. The head of the municipality is called the chairperson. The work of municipalities is to see that cities and towns have good roads, street lights, fire services, safe drinking water and electricity. They also make sure there is no garbage lying around and parks and buildings are properly taken care of. Means here the role of the municipality is given. Means like villages, people living in towns and cities also have their own needs. उनकी भी अपनी ज़रूरतें होती हैं. Right, students? And towns and cities are bigger than the villages, so they are more crowded. And they have many hospitals, schools, markets and more vehicles, offices and buildings, and they too have their own needs. और उनकी भी अपनी needs होती है. Like the villages, there is local governing body called the municipalities in town and cities to take care of these needs. As in the villages, who takes care of these needs? Gram Panchayat. And same how in the cities, who takes care of these needs? Municipality. and member of the municipalities are chosen by the people of the towns and cities, right? And the head of the municipality is called the chairperson. जो municipality का head होता है उसको क्या बोलते हैं? We call it chairperson. And the head of the gram panchayat is called sarpanch. The work of municipality is to see that cities and towns have good roads, street lights, fire services, safe drinking water and electricity. So municipality takes care of all these needs. They also make sure there is no garbage lying around and parks or buildings are properly taken care of. Means इन सारी चीजों का वो ध्यान रखते हैं. Here in this picture you can see municipality takes care of garbage problem in cities and towns. Now move to the next page, page number 41. Here you can see two pictures. In first picture, the municipality looks after the roads in cities and towns. Means it takes care of the road also. Means if the road is broken, municipality repair these roads. The municipality provides street lights. Municipality street lights की भी take care करती हैं. And it provides the street light also to the people who are living in the cities and towns. And here come to the did you know point. The sarpanch of a gram panchayat need not always be a man. Chhavi Rajawat, a 33-year-old woman, is the sarpanch of her village Soda in Rajasthan. She is an MBA and has lived and studied in cities. Means जो सरपंच है किसी भी ग्राम पंचायत का, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी कि वो एक मेल पर्सन ही होगा, एक वो मैन ही होगा, वीमेन भी हो सकती है. छवि राजावत, शी इज अ वीमेन एंड शी इज द सरपंच ऑफ द village Soda in Rajasthan, and she is an MBA, means she is educated also. Now it's time to apply your knowledge, student. You will do as for that is given on page number 38 in your workbook. Now open page number 38 of your workbook. Open page number 38 of your workbook, student. The municipality. Look at the picture and answer the question. Here in this picture you can see one water tanker is there and some people are gathering there with their water vessels. What are they doing here? They are collecting some water from this water tanker. Now you will give the answer of the question which are based on this picture. Take the problem that these people are facing. No lights, no school, no hospital, no water. Who can help them? You will write the answer of this question. Who can help for this problem? Write one way in which they can be helped. Write one way in which they can be helped. Write your own way. You will write your own way here, how these people could be helped. Write one more problem that people in cities may face. Here you will mention one more problem the people who are living in cities are facing. What is your today's homework, student? You will do practice question number 7 and 8 that is given on page number 42 in your content book. At last, student, let's summarize our today's topic. What is our today's topic? Municipality. As in the previous topic, we talked about Gram Panchayat, and Gram Panchayat takes care of the problems of the villagers, and same how the people who are living in cities and town, they are also facing some problems. So who takes care of these problems? Municipality. And which kind of problem? Like the electricity, the garbage problem, the parks, the buildings, the roads and the street lights. So it is municipality's responsibility to take care of all these things. Dear students, now be ready for next class also, and resources for next class, your content book, notebook and workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.